Hey, welcome back to ZK Mastertech. Today, we got a customer that called in with a 9530, and he said the transmission was making clunking noises in certain gears. I got here and I drove the tractor, and when I put it into 6th gear, you can definitely hear this thing banging. Let's check it out. I don't know if you can hear that on the video, but you can definitely hear a clunk, 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 clunk in the transmission. So I've heard enough that I've heard that noise before. So we're gonna go ahead and just drain the sump on this transmission and see if we pull out any metal teeth bearings. Who knows what we're gonna find. All right, here we got the transmission sump. We're just gonna drain it right here. Oh, that looks nice and thick. Yummy. It's really foamy. All right, well, we'll stick the Metal Checker 2000 in here and go fishing. Uh-oh. That is a full tooth. Great. Here, take that. Can't get my magnet hardly past that suction tube. Oh, there's some more. Yep, she's done. Just little stuff there. Well, that one big tooth is enough to pull the transmission, no doubt. I'm just seeing if there's more in here. There's a little bit. Okay, Well, this is what we pulled out at the bottom of the transmission. So that gives us enough probable cause to haul this tractor in, and we'll pull the transmission. And depending on what the customer wants to do, we're either gonna tear the transmission down and see if it's repairable or if it's to the point where it needs a reman. So it's not a good day when you pull a full tooth out of a transmission. So we're gonna go ahead and give them another tractor to use, and we'll pick this guy up sometime. Okay, so there you have it. Just a quick little transmission diagnosis video. I'm not sure when we're gonna get, this thing back to the shop, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be the one working on it, pulling the transmission out. We got so much work going on right now. We're kind of, spreading it out with the other techs in the shop. So if I do go ahead and work on this tractor, I'll probably film it and you guys will maybe see a part 2. But for now, that's all we're gonna do on this video. Thanks for watching, and keep that green iron moving.